Let's see. It started, right? Yes. Is the Wi-Fi running properly? Yes, it is. So yesterday was what? 11th. Today would be our 12th day. So the 12th day, and we can remove this. Save. And let me also open up the chat. Pop out the chat. Let's put it where it belongs, behind this section. This is cool. I would say live. I am. They were sending cat onto my room. Okay, so what is happening? Shubham, hello Shubham, welcome to the stream. And Varun, hey, hi Varun, welcome. Hint, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. Hey, happy Ganesh Chaturthi, guys. Hope you had a good Chaturthi day today. And I think tomorrow is Visarjan. Like, that's what my friend told me. My cat is here. Let me show you my other cat, which is called Murphy. Murphy. No. So, this is Murphy. Murphy, say hello. It's your podcast. It's your live session now. Huh? Go. My phone is dead. Just give me a sec. Webcam is gone. What happened? I don't know. This Osmo has some issue these days, and I'm a little bit worried that this might affect my whole trip now. Crazy day. Hey Shubham, what happened? Karthik, welcome. Hey, sorry guys. Just give me 2 sec. I'm fixing my camera. Let me just fix it. I don't know why it's misbehaving these days. It should be back to normal. Yeah, perfect, it's back. Okay, now let me connect this thing. It also doesn't have much charge left in it, so this will work or something. Okay, hey Karthik, welcome. Okay, my Osmo has some crazy issue now, I guess. What's happening? Do you check the Discord? Hey Varun, sorry, I haven't checked Discord from I'm not very active on Discord because it's in my phone now and not in my laptop it's in my laptop. It's just not in this Mac Studio which I'm using. Let me just close the Osmo for a second. There is something seriously wrong with this thing. Yeah, let me just close it and just see. Just one day. Do you check the Discord? Okay, just one day. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I think they have already done the whole Sthapna for almost 10 days now. So tomorrow would be their Visarjan. He came from all the way from California to Goa, and yeah, he works at Google. Shubham got separated from friends and crowd, and then reunited. Then nice. Here Visarjan is after 10 days. Okay, so my friend is in Goa, but he said tomorrow is Visarjan. Maybe in Goa they do it early. What is the name of cat you showed last time? The last time, the white one with blue eyes, that's called Bella, and this one is Murphy. I hope my camera works now. Let's hope. Let's hope. Is it good? Is it better? I guess so. It's just that it's too... exposure should be a little bit higher. Right? This is good. Murphy, I'm working, please. I guess in every place it is either 10 or 2.5 days. So I think they are on the 2.5 days one, I guess. Okay, Karthik. Like you said, I have started small consistent habits, book reading, and I have started my content journey today. Awesome, Karthik. That's great. I would love to know your progress on this. You can hang out here on the chat and share what you did. So today you read a book and also started pushing content. Which platform are you pushing? What type of content are you making? But Sthapna is today, right? Today was Sthapna, so maybe I don't know. I'll talk to him again, because in North we don't do Ganesh Chaturthi. Like, it's not that big of a festival. But yeah, in Goa it's very, very, like, it's one of the biggest festival for Karthik. Been while, but you are the best, and the way you make content and provide value, just wonderful. And I want to see you in even more higher community and provide value to million billion. Karthik, thank you so much, man. That means a lot. This feedback means a lot, guys. I'm creating some value which is appreciated. Well, what more to ask? Varun, in India we can find different type of formalities, food for every 100 kilometer. Formalities, food for every 100 kilometer? You mean that, like, the differences every 100 kilometer? I mean, it's every 50 kilometer food changes, language changes. I mean, a very, very diverse country India is, because the festival originated in Maharashtra. Yes, I think so. I don't know, like, correct me if I'm wrong. It's the story, like, we are Ganesh ji was like leaving for somewhere in the north, so this is kind of a farewell for them, and that's why we don't celebrate in north, because they are coming to north, so it doesn't make sense if we are giving them a farewell here. I don't know, I might be 100% wrong here, but this is what my brother told me. So if it's 100% wrong, it's my brother's fault. Murphy, it's okay. One, check the Discord resource channel. Okay, I'll check, Varun, on your demand. Let me check the Discord. Shivanshu is here. You are right. So yeah, this is the guy who told me the story. So guys, catch him if this is wrong. Okay, let me give you some updates which happened today. I want to talk about a couple of things, very, very important things. So one thing is, I have done some changes on my indie bets. I found out that there is one issue. First of all, a lot of people complained about the bad image, so I have now a new image which is here. Another thing is, now the tagline, which is the theme for me, is learn, burn, earn, and fun. So this is the whole idea. Like, learn, burn means like burn calories, and earn and have fun. This I stole from the Network School. If you guys don't know about Network School, you should. It's Balaji, who is a very famous personality on internet, and also a very famous personality in Silicon Valley, also in crypto community. So he started a new school which is called Network School in Singapore, and it's an amazing concept. It's like you can go there with a big community of people who are working, who are learning new things, who are like getting fit. And Brian Johnson, the guy who is like the fittest guy right now, is is the collaborating with their fitness team. So there, and you also earn there. They'll teach you how to earn, and you also have fun. And the thing is, they are charging $1,500 per month, and you have access to the full campus, everything, and the courses and all. It's just that it's for everyone who is in this zone, in this APAC zone, Asia Pacific region. Uh, so yeah, check it out. Network School by Balaji. If anybody is interested, can apply as well. Can move to Singapore. I'm thinking to apply on their funding program. So they have this. Let me show you guys. So they have this funding program which is apply as a fellow. So if you get selected, you will be given $100,000 in funding, and then you will have to move to Singapore, and they will basically enroll you for 1 year. You get access to, you get your own room, and you get access to the whole campus, teaching, fitness and everything, food and all. And plus you get $100,000 to build your startup. So I'm thinking just to apply, just see how it goes. And I don't know they will select it or not. I'm pretty sure they will not, because the kind of startups they are looking for, mine doesn't cross that to do or checklist. So where I was checking Discord. So yeah, check it out, Network School. And from there only I got this learn, burn, earn and fun. And I thought, yeah, this is so accurate in my case too, because this is what my philosophy. I'm learning new things. I'm going to the gym, burning, trying to earn, and also having fun in the whole process. Show Murphy. I don't know. He went somewhere, Shivanshu. I just showed the Murphy to the guys just 10 minutes back. Crazy images, Varun. Oh, images. Varun has posted some images. Okay, where? Resources. In resources. Guys, I'm testing Google Nano Banana image model using the image template. Here are the outputs. Crazy. Yeah, I mean, this is crazy, Varun. Thanks for sharing this. Loved it. Wow, Ganesh Chaturthi message is also amazing, and I love the image. It looks like constellations, but also like neural network. So in a way, perfect image for this channel. Thank you, Arun. Thank you for the image, and also showing the demo of your Google Banana test. Hey Varun, it's very easy, bro. Just a lot of hit and trial at the beginning. Okay, Shivanshu is teaching his formula. Shivanshu learned that formula from me, actually. Hit and learn. Another thing which I wanted to discuss was, one of the thing which I also fixed here is the grid. The Strava grid was broken. It was not showing the latest data, so I have fixed it. Now it's updated, showing the exact metrics and correct data as well. GitHub, sadly we missed 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Actually I did code on those days but did not push to main, so for that reason it's not visible here. Will not make that kind of mistake. Today is what? Today is 27th, so, and it's not visible. So yeah, this is what I have done on the app, this side. And on the servers, on the retro PixFix side, I have also created a new service on the middleware, so it connects and does all the crazy things which we want. Now in this session, what my plan is, we'll have a working prototype ready. The only thing which we would require is the credit system, because I'm thinking how much credit should we give to the user, and that's what I need to check basically. So yeah, that's it. Any other questions if you guys have, do let me know. And yeah, another app which I'm thinking after this, because this is fresh out of the oven, I'm thinking of creating just a Google Gemini banana image model, and the app's name will be Banana Image Generator, because it's quite popular keyword, and I tried searching on App Store, there was nothing. So I'm thinking maybe people are looking for an AI generator just for this banana model, because this is crazy. This is now you don't even need Photoshop. You can ask it to do any changes and it's instantly shown, and so good, so quick. So I like it, but yeah, it will be paid. And I'm thinking later on I can add a couple of more models, kind of our own app where we can have any model which we want for image generation. and we'll try to give it at a price which is affordable for us community. Like just pay for maybe a small markup because there will be server cost involved, but not any monetary benefits initially. That's what I'm thinking. I'll start working on it on this trip where I'm going next in next 2 days. And let me now play some music as well. It's been a little bit silent. Let me know if the sound is good. Karthik, I have restarted book 48 Laws of Power and each law per day, and I want to make content around like student life and how to explore as a student, and I am a second year BTech student, AI and DS branch. Suggestions for me as a newbie. That's a very good start, Karthik. First of all, congratulations on that. And yeah, I mean, 48 Laws of Power, I read that book long back. I mean, maybe in 2011 or 2010. It's been 10 years now. And then there is Mastery, another book which I would recommend. Just read Mastery too. It's a really good book. I think same author, Mastery and 48 Laws of Power. So yeah, good pick. I mean, this is the time when you are in your college first, second or third year. This is the time when you have to just read all these crazy books which just changed your whole perspective of how things work. And I highly recommend anyone who is not reading books to read books, because they give you a perspective which no video can give, no movie can give. And because with book, it's just you and your brain. That's it. You just give input to your eyes. I mean, I'm a huge fan of learning with books. Nothing comes in between with the kind of learning you have. Most of the learning I have about other than tech is from books, reading books. No reels, no movie, just books. And regarding content, that's a really good content. Like, people would love it. It's mostly relatable, right? You are posting about your students' life, and students would love to watch that kind of content. So yeah, all the best on that. Do share your progress and be consistent on it. Like, even if you miss 1 or 2 days somewhere, get back to it. Do not feel demotivated. Just keep getting back at it whenever you feel lost. I was asking suggestions. Wait, your message is gone. What happened? Your message is retracted for some reason. Not sure what happened. So in the index, I want another function here. I want a function like this which gets triggered whenever we have a new collection added on Pixfix collection, when the user signs up on Pixfix collection, so that we can start creating their AI Sidekick service or AI Sidekick user account. So yeah, write that function here. Like, for content, what do you say to start in which niche like that? I mean, yeah, I mean, that's good, like student life. And I would suggest, that like this would be my recommendation. If you are starting with short form content, go with Instagram, make reels daily, put like day 1, day 2, day 3 kind of theme, where you go day 1. So in the end, just record yourself in front of a camera and say like what you learned today, what was something exciting happened, how you felt in that day, and majorly just share your learnings and your maybe a little bit of your failures, not much, otherwise this will become like a venting channel for you. So yeah, share a little bit of your progress, a learning, your failures, and how you felt. I mean, that's a good start. You can go from there and keep sharing whatever you're learning every day. In 48 Laws of Power, every day you are reading about one theme, one power. So just share about it. And once that book is finished, move on to another thing. Just share anything AI related, anything. Do not limit yourself in the earlier stage. Do not pick any niche at the start. Be open for exploring content. So just make the content in this domain. Just come in front of the camera, talk. And I mean, this would be my suggestion. But make it as a daily, day 1, day 2, day 3 kind of theme. People do love it. Even I watch a lot of such developers who post these kind of content. Blinken, hey, was in a work meeting. Yeah, Blinken, I remember yesterday you said you have a meeting at this time. Hope your meeting went good. But yeah, thank you and welcome to the stream. Karthik, exactly what I am going to start and yet to do. Varun, after Ghibli from OpenAI, I am more excited for Google Nano Banana. Yes, I mean, this is crazy. I feel like ChatGPT's model is a bit slow and not very accurate if you have to create same reference images. But Google has nailed it, man. As I said, Google is gonna win this in long term. PixFix. User sign up trigger. So this will do one thing. PixFix user. PixFix. No, this is not PixFix. This is PixFix. Murphy is crying behind me. Crying means like he wants to go out, but he's stuck in this room. User authentication Firestore. Function messaging Firestore. This is stupid. What happened to Firestore database? Why is it just showing me? What? Is the app working? Every day I have these different issues. Today it's about my whole Firestore database is not visible. I don't know what happened to Firestore. Dude, seriously? I mean, what are you doing? Show me the fucking data. Yes, now it's here. Pexels, Memathon, AI. Where is PixFix? God, I think no one asked you this question, not when I was in the chat at least. How many hours do you code on an average day? That's a good question. I do try to maintain at least, I try to maintain 4 hours, but since I've been traveling last month and this month, it's not been that consistent. So I'm doing somewhere around 2-3 hours. These days it's been 2-3 hours, but I try to do more than 4 hours when I am back in Goa. Vishnu, hey bro, how's the app doing? Hey Vishnu, welcome to the stream, man. And thanks for joining. The app is doing good. I mean, I thought I'll be finishing the middleware layer pretty fast, but it has become a little bit tedious, so I'm still working on that. I hope to launch the app to give it for review, but I was too optimistic, also based on I'm in my home, a lot of things going here and there. So yeah, I'm not giving excuses, but yes, there has not been very much stability in past couple of weeks. So yeah, we'll get back to the rhythm once this app releases, because this app becomes like a base layer of everything which we do moving forward. Varun, in yesterday's live mentioned some things about community. I missed the yesterday live. Yeah, we were thinking to start a AI community in Goa. I'll talk to Sam. Like Sam and I am thinking, like we are thinking of starting something like network school in Goa, to talk about like to like make a small community of AI enthusiasts who are building something in AI, and any creative work they are doing with AI. So yeah, just gathering people together, sharing community. Maybe it will be offline, online. We'll have to discuss it. Next video when we are close to 7K. Today I was recording, but I didn't like that recording, to be honest. I did some shoots, so I was not very happy. And yeah, so next video, maybe the next video will be just we'll start with the Sri Lanka trip, man. I'm thinking of vlogging and putting everything every day or every 2 day. Let's see. I'm thinking of like having a proper story at the end of the day and just compiling all the things together and posting it as a vlog. Would it be like useful for you guys? I might add some places where I'm working and all. It will require a lot of energy, to be honest, if I remember from my last time. But let's see that if that works. Wind, next video. Okay, Vishnu, there is a cat out there, bro. Yeah, Vishnu, it's my cat. It's sitting just here. I just showed to the guys. Pakoda, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I totally forgot. Hey, happy Ganesh Chaturthi, Pakoda. What are you using for enhancing image and video generation? Enhancing image? I'm using a couple of models. My favorites are Recraft, Flux, a mix of all those. There is a fine-tuned version of Flux which I'm currently using. Would be amazing. Yeah, let's see. I have noticed my vlogs do not perform that well. I get very less views on them. But yeah, I just want to do it because it's fun. It's fun to like have a memory of such videos for myself. I was just looking at my last video which I published on Inlay. Very fun. Yeah, it would be nice content. Thanks guys. Let's see. But yeah, I mean, my video production speed has been affected in last 2 months. And I definitely want to get back to it. My goal was to hit 20K this year, and we are already in August. I don't know, August, September, October, November, December. Do you think in 4 months we can hit 20K? I doubt. I think the goal should be 10K then. 3,000 more subscribers in next 3-4 months. If I become more consistent with the content. Let's see. Let me throw this cat out. He's shouting. Come. Yep, I'm back. Okay, now let's do one thing, my account, and let's do copy to clipboard. Okay, let's see, where is this AI vid user UID, or maybe this way. Is this UID in AI vid user? So this is an AI vid user. Do we have an AI vid user here somewhere? AI vid fix bucket name and fix. What is collection? Retro fix. Constant is what? Onboarding AI retro user. Okay, so this is the AI retro user. In AI retro user we have one. We can maybe delete this collection completely. AI retro user. Guys, today is a bit of a boring task which I'm doing. connecting backends and internal services together, and there is some sensitive information, so can't share it here. I hope you guys won't mind it. Pixfix user. So this will be Pixfix now, and as the user is created, let's see if it worked. No. What we can do is maybe my account, log out, and also onboarding, right? And we can just say no, this is not how it should be. It's not working. Karthik, what is your motivation to do content? Like, you give such nice content and quality. What that truly requires? My motivation is nothing, man. I just enjoy. I enjoy creating content. I always had this interest in photography and making videos when, like, from a very long time, like when I was in my college or maybe in school. But I never pursued it dedicatedly. My brother did. He also had that interest, and he's really good at it. He's a filmmaker. So I got this time, but I used to do a lot of this content creation on the side with my job, and while traveling, making videos, making small reels, shorts, clicking pictures. I even did this challenges where I did like 30-day posting one picture on Instagram kind of challenge just for myself. And slowly, gradually, you learn one thing, you learn two things. You know, the rule of learning, becoming like improving 1%. And now when you guys say it this way, like your content quality is really good, I mean, the person I was, it's really it humbles me, because I always thought I'm learning, and now when someone gives me this feedback, hey, your quality is really good, you know, it makes me so happy that those small tweaks and changes might have affected the way I was making content. And it was not that one day I became good at it. It's very slow learning process, and now again, I'm still learning. I feel like my brother do a really good job of creating content rather than me. So I learn from him and all other people who are around me. Sam, who joins here, I think I learn a lot from him regarding lighting and camera settings, a lot of things. So yeah, this was the motivation, and it's just hobby. I enjoy it. That's why I do it. Varun, upload continuously at one point of time. YouTube algo also push your content to all. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, will be more consistent. But once I go to Goa, I'll try to post a lot more videos. And you just need to post at least twice a week. Maybe that way you can reach the goal. Let's do it. Let's do twice a week, or maybe four videos a week. I'm up for it. I'm thinking of dedicating a little bit more time on content, because my goal is to reach 10k by the end of this year. And and also we have a big project which is running, so I have a lot of stories to share, content to talk about. Yeah, let's do it. And once I'm back from this Sri Lanka trip. Pagoda, you travel a lot. Will we get fully featured videos focused on travel only, not vlog type? Fully featured videos are very hard to make, man. Like, you dedicatedly need a lot of like good story, good cinematography and all. Vlogs are easy because you just are in the moment. I will try to make the vlogs interesting in a way, like capturing the vibe, not just myself talking in front of a camera. Varun, this day YouTube algo working worst for me in recommending nonsense videos. I don't even watch this category video previously. Yeah, I think YouTube has done some shuffling on their video recommendation. I feel you. Like I have also noticed they are pushing small creators now, because in my timeline I have noticed there are videos which has like 100 views, 500 views, and these kind of videos are popping up on my feed. So I thought something has changed. Even Instagram has recently upgraded their algorithm. They are pushing small creators. I started getting like more than 1,000 to 2,000 views on almost every reel. Blinken, I posted a new GitHub heat map on my coding Twitter showing my commits from the last couple of years, starting 2023. Awesome. Oh, 1000 commits so far in 2025. That's crazy, man. 1000 commits. How many commits I have made in the last 1 year? I doubt I have made 1000. Okay. I have also made around 1080 commits in last 1 year. So yeah, we are on the same speed, Blinken. But you made it in 2025. I made it in 1 year. So yeah, I mean, I have made less commits than you in 2025. Check Discord. Noticed a bug. Huh? Where is the bug? What the fudge? What is happening? If the live status wedge is overflowing outside its container. That's a good catch. I'll fix it. Thank you, Samrat. Nice catch. Nice catch. Varun, what I observed is that Divyansh is trying to show the world from his perspective through story. Varun, you get me, bro. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's my point basically. Just showing it from my perspective. JPEG, hey. And I think this is what filmmaker or any creator is. Like, they just want to show it what they feel, what they look at. And when someone appreciates it, it feels so good because you're appreciating my view, my perspective. And it's in a sense, I would say, like, I don't want to use the word validation, but it is like it validates, yeah, what you are doing is good and keep doing it kind of thing. Hey JPEG, how are you? JPEG comes every day, says, hey, any more questions, JPEG? I would love to answer your questions. Blinken, and I did all of that, a full-time job working for Blinken. You are an inspiration, man. You are such an inspiration. So Blinken works full-time, joins these lives, committed 1000 commits in his GitHub, made multiple apps. I mean, crazy inspiration, Blinken, and also has kids and a full, like, busy family. So I mean, hats off, Blinken. Hats off to this kind of dedication. I'm learning from you. YouTube gives a freedom to share our side of world. Exactly. That's what I love about with YouTube. Blinken, I'm pretty proud of my accomplishment. We all are, Blinken. We all are. Let's throw some confettis. Confetti time. With it, yo, you free this weekend? We can meet. I'm in Bits Goa. If you want, you can visit campus. We can have a meetup here. Hey, Vidit, I'm not in Goa this time. I will be back in Goa in September 10th. So yeah, I'll let you know. We can definitely plan some meetups there, and I can bring my friends. One of my friend who is also an indie hacker. He can give you guys, like, he's where I want to be. Like, he's there. So yeah, he can give you more inspirational talks. JPEG, can you teach me how to do ASO? Do you want a dedicated ASO video? I can make that. Proper dedicated ASO video. How many of you would be interested in a dedicated ASO video? Let me start a poll. Would you like to watch ASO video? Let's see. Varun, I never said this to you before, but your videos deserve more views. Thank you, man. Thank you so much for saying that. I don't know how to make it possible though. I know, like, it was doing its thing at some point of time, and I became lazy, to be honest. Since I've been traveling, I became a little bit lazy with other work and all. Plus I get this confusion sometimes, this conflict that, hey, what are you doing? You quit your job to, you know, build things, project, software. Why are you spending so much time on YouTube? That was your hobby, wasn't it? But then I see I'm getting sponsors on YouTube when I push more content. I get these kind of feedbacks, which makes me feel very happy. The comments plus, well, a little bit of money comes along with it, even with a small channel. So then my mind says, bro, I think you need to think about it. Like, make YouTube as your main gig too. Do not keep it as your hobby only. The quality is insane. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Hind, if you get a chance to give a TED talk, what topic you would choose to share with the world? That's such a nice question. I have never thought about it. Uh, you know, whenever I make any content or whenever I give these advices or anywhere I talk, I usually talk to myself 10 years or 20 years back. When I was so confused, I was anxious, what will happen? What I failed this exam. So I want to talk to that guy. If I go to TED Talk, I'll be talking to that guy. And I mean, there are a lot of guys, even like right now, who are in that stage, who are that anxious. And because that topic is very close to my heart and I can speak on it very passionately. So that's why I will pick that, to talk to that 20 or 15-year old, 15 years younger version of me. Vishnu, not only quality, also the interaction with every chat. Thank you, Vishnu. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, people are interested in an ASO video. Let's do it. The question is for everyone, guys. I'd love to hear all of you. Yeah, everyone, please do share. What topic would you guys be interested in give a TED talk on? Just give me a sec. I'm just checking one thing. Israr, hello people. Hello Israr, welcome. Right on time. What is ASO? ASO is App Store Optimization. So the keyword research which you have to do, the methods you have to follow to make your app rank higher, that kind of process. Hind. Varun, by the way, I'm back on track of my consistency. Awesome, Varun. I hope my lives are helping with that. JPEG, which college are you attending right now? I am not attending any college, JPEG. I'm old. I'm very, very old. I attended college. Like I got graduated in 2013. Israr. Okay. Hi, Shubham. So let me just change a couple of things here. It's not Retrofix. It's Pixfix. This is also Pixfix. Retrofix is not the name. Package log can be changed. Package.json. Why it's Retrofix? It's Pixfix. Okay. Anywhere else? String build space. This is fine. Target is fine. Okay, I think this is good enough. Terminal, new terminal. We can now save. We can close the WAP browser somewhere which is running here. We can close this. Yes, close, and go here, yarn iOS, or maybe first we'll do a yarn because we have changed a couple of things, and then we can do a yarn iOS. It's Varun. Now I am slow shifting from web dev to data roles. Currently I have 2-year time. I am exploring data analysis and data science. Awesome, Varun. That's a great move based on where the industry is moving. Hint, maybe he's asking in which college you are giving a TED talk. You look so young. Are you following some Brand Johnson routine? JFag, you made my day, bro. You made my day. I am young. I don't follow Brand Johnson's routine, but I do follow like some good healthy habits which I adopted in last maybe 6-7 years. But yeah, thank you so much, man. That feedback, I'm still giggling inside. It's rare. In our last stream series, who was that guy who used to make fun of my age? It was Shubham or Israr? I'll give that to you. You definitely look younger than me. I don't know how long it will be. My hairs, I'm losing my hairs, guys. Will I look good on a bald head? I need your opinion. Is it good? You mean data science? 100%. Like data science, this is the direction which the industry is moving, AI. And data is like the foundation of it. So I would say yes. But professionally, I don't know. I have not worked with this kind of technology, but I do see it all around the internet. People are like right now learning data. One of my friend, he's in Amazon, and he did data science, and he's doing pretty good. So yeah. Abhinav, yo, hey, Abhinav, Happy Life. I remember your old name, Happy Life. I like that name. How are you, Abhinav? We want your routine video. I have made couple of videos on my daily routines. I can make another one. Yeah, when I'll be in Goa, I'll make more day in a life kind of videos. This time I'll have more time in Goa to make videos. Like I'll be more free. So yeah, let's see how that goes. It was me. I feel so old, so it looks good to see you. Yeah. Guys, just one suggestion. Please like the stream. Please, please, pretty please. I noticed last time. What? Who closed this? Who the F closed this thing? Yarn serve. Not serve. What is the package name? Yarn start. Yes. Yarn start. Yes. Now let's do it. No apps connected. What happened, bro? I like your beach Instagram stories. Beach Instagram stories, which I posted today. I am pretty consistent on Instagram. So if anybody of you who wants to follow my like personal creative journey, not anything related to tech, you can follow me on Instagram. Same, Divyanshu Negi is my username. Oh, Abhinav is happy life, Lamo. Yes, Ravi is happy life. How could you not know that? He's one of the most famous personalities here in this chat. Blinken, I'm bald. I shave my head every few days. I have an electric shaver that I use for it. Blinken, I would need some advice from you in coming months because I am losing hairs right and left now. So yeah, maybe couple of months, couple of years, 1 year maybe, a good hair remaining. Varun, yeah, good old days. Which IG stories? I'm still interested, Varun. Which IG stories? Which I post today or when I was in Goa and posting like beach stories almost every day? Huh. So this is created. The thing which I wanted to check was why I made it, because what's the user's first of all ID? My account not logged in. So how could we move to this screen? Shite. We have a splash and where we have a async storage get item. So what we can say is const or maybe async storage clear. Let's do this first. Yes, it's clear. Now we will be creating another account, which is, let me start it again. Followed you since the start. Don't I deserve a follow back? Oh, hint, did you? Yeah, I'll follow, man. What's your name on Instagram? I will 100% follow you. I do follow back almost everyone who I know. Copy AI. What is the name of this? P. It should be Pixfix. When you are in Goa. Oh, when I'm in Goa, I used to post like evening kind of beach photos, videos. I'll start doing it next month. From 11 September, you will notice me posting those kind of reels again. Good old days. Will be good old days. Blinkin, for sure. I've been going bald since I was 17. I can only grow hair on the sides and back now, so I just shave it all off and go complete bald. Yeah, that's a style you should carry. Israr, make a tech travel video, guide video. Israr, give me some guidance, like what kind of content would you want to watch in that? Is it just what do I carry in my backpack, or how do I carry my tech gadgets? What do I carry in my bag? Just give me a title of the video. I'll do the rest. Israr, I mean, what all you carry? Okay. So what do I carry? I think I've already made that video long back. Maybe I can again shoot it tomorrow, because tomorrow is a packing day for me. I'm leaving day after tomorrow. Abhinav, have you tried Grok Code yet? Not yet. Is it good, Abhinav? I love Israr's username. Israr. Yes. I think we discussed this when he first joined these streams. It's been 6-7 months now. Hey Harshit, hi. So yeah, Pixfix user is coming and the data is also coming in here. The thing is, Pixfix is the Pixfix user. This is good. So we have Pixfix user. We'll say Pixfix user. So whenever we have a new Pixfix user, what we will do is user ID. We are doing few things: new user, Pixfix sign up, ASATKick user, create or get user, user ID, and we are giving 100 credits. Should we give 100 credits? We can, right? Depending on how much we are charging, we can change that. So user gets 100 credit. Send Discord notification. Pix users to the sign up. New user sign up here. Discord webhook is fine. Await change update. ASATKick user ID. Optionally update the Pixfix user document with ASATKick info. Credits user ID, find value created at. So once the user is created, I just need to check one thing. Wait, create user. So create user is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and we give like 100 users to this. It will give us this data. I'm just doing one thing, right? Just give me 1 sec, guys. I'm busy on updating one user update. Output. Input body. So for creating a user, what we are giving? User ID. User IDs we are giving, right? Correct. So this is the body which we pass for creating a user, which is a user ID, which here in our case will be the Firebase user ID, and initial credits which we want to pass right now is just 100 when the user is created. Now in return we get the user ID which we have created. We also get the credits, and then we also get a JWT token. Now I want to store this JWT token into the Firestore collection of the user, and also make sure the created is true. That means user has signed up. If created is false, that means this user already existed and we have just updated their credits. Okay, what is here? I discovered MKBH have a channel called Studio and I really like the videos. Okay. Yeah, I think I've seen that Studio where they talk about. So there is one car channel by MKBHD where he talks about cars. Then there is a podcast channel. There's a main channel, MKBHD's. What does that do in a studio? Israr, going back to Goa. Yes. So first of all, right now I'm going to Hyderabad for 1 day, just a night. And then I'll be in Colombo on 30th in Sri Lanka. From there, I'm traveling for 10 days in Sri Lanka. I'm going to a indie hacker house. Entrepreneurs, indie hackers, we all will be learning kite surfing and having talks at night. That's the plan. Till 7th, and from 7th to 10th I'll be solo traveling in Sri Lanka, and on 11th I'll be back to Goa. So this is the plan, guys. Abhinav, I haven't tried it yet. I thought you would test it out in today's live. Yeah, Abhinav, I did test it. It's crazy, and I'm thinking my next app is called Banana Image Generator, because I really need one simple mobile app where I can use it as a Photoshop. So anytime I'm posting any picture or anything, I can just tweak few things on it easily. So the most easy use case app, nothing else in it, no crazy different themes and all, just simple, click a picture, give a prompt, change it, minimalistic design. This is what I need, and this I will be creating after this app. Talib Asaf, have you seen the new AI image model, Nano Banana? Yes, I have. It's crazy. How credits you are giving? 1 credit is 1 image? Not really, Varun. So it depends on the backend how many credits I set on that particular model. I've written this YAML file in AI Sidekick, and on that there is a workflow. So each workflow will have some credits. It depends on how much I am paying for it. Initially, users will get 100 credits, and right now I have not decided what the calculation will be, but it could be like 10 credits for 1 image or 20 credits for 1 image. So initially, free images you can create like 4 images free, then you'll have to refill your credits, something like that, or you get like weekly, monthly credits. Israr, I'm thinking to make some content, but I'm camera shy. I don't know how to speak in a video. Give some tips. How do I start? Very easy. I mean, I have been there. I started my content creation journey in 2018 when I was in Bangalore, and I just saw that video which I created in 2018. It was so bad, man. I can't, like, it's cringe-worthy bad. It's so bad. I'm trying to be someone who I'm not in front of a camera, and I think that's the thing which happens when you first time talking without looking at any person. It's not natural. So you try to become someone because you have watched so many YouTube videos. You feel like this is how it should be, or maybe this was me. Then you understand, okay, when you watch it, then you understand, this is not me, bro. This is definitely not me. And then you become original. The more original you become, the more real talk you can have. And it's just a learning process, I believe, like everything else. So just start making content, just sit in front of the camera. First 10 videos will be shit. Maybe first 100 videos will be very shit. But the 101 or 102 video will give you that curve of learning where most of the people maybe quit, I guess. I did quit after 2018. I thought, no man, this is not for me. Nived, hey, hi Nived, welcome back to the channel. Israr, yes, do make a new video on track travel. Sure, we'll do it. Varun, are you veggie? You mean vegetarian? Yes, I am a vegetarian. Adit, hey Divyanshu, please name the hacker house you mentioned. Adit, hacker house, you mean I made a video about it? It's called Altspace, if you're talking about it. It's in the mountains in Dharamshala. Highly recommend it if anybody is interested in locking themselves and just doing AI things. Altspace is one of those places you can go. Even I am planning to like have 1 or 2 months there this next season when it will be available in April next year. Like it's on right now as well. And recently Altspace also organized one AI like a founders retreat. There were many students who were enrolled in that, and they all got their rooms free, and they just built AI startups. They launched it. I saw their Instagram stories. One thing is they asked me to promote it as well on my channel, but at that time I was a bit busy. I couldn't make a video, and their deadline for signups was finished when I thought, okay, I should make that video. So I owe an apology to the founder. I forgot his name. What's his name? Shit, I forgot his name. Wait, this is so bad. I'm so bad with names. Prashant. Shit, how could I forget his name? Prashant. So yeah, Prashant, I owe him an apology for that. I have made 4. Yeah, man, keep pumping those numbers up. Maybe at 10, you will feel like, yeah, this is going good. And keep sharing. Don't be shy away from sharing. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares. I mean, I have learned one thing, that the initial wall of shame is your friends and family. Once you cross this wall of shame, where you post cringe on WhatsApp, cringe on Instagram, where everyone who has to say something has already said to you, then it's just, you have crossed the cringe wall, and now it's an open water and you can swim anywhere you want. Adit, is that the same in Sri Lanka? No, Adit. So this is not a hacker house where I will be going. It's an organized retreat, you can say. where we have rented a villa in Kalpitia, and we all are like paying something to stay there. We'll be like 2 people in one room, and there are total I think 14 people. Couple of them are entrepreneurs, couple of them are indie hackers, some are like creatives. There is one lawyer as well. So yeah, this is what the plan is. Israr, I have made 4-5 videos back in 2016 around mobile games, and they have around 20,000 views, but it's so cringe that I archived them. Same, I have done the same. We used to play this Rust and PUBG mobile when Corona hit, and I have a full catalog of these videos on this particular channel which I'm posting, but all of them are now private, and they are so bad. Like, I mean, I was a different person back then. It's been what, 5 years? So yeah. Abhinav, I see you have tried many things. One thing you haven't tried yet is collaboration with other YouTubers. Will you try it? I can. I think like once I reach around 10k subscribers and I start to get consistently maybe 10,000 views on my videos, I will think about collaboration, because then I think I will be providing a good value to collaborate with. Right now I'm shying away. That why would someone want to collaborate with me? What do they get? Quite a lot of votes, 16 votes. Okay, where we are, so we have a user ID, then we have this, then we have this, then we have user ID, credits, JW token, user created, setup completed, updated at, and return token, catch, and fix, change, ref, update user, error message. Hey Varun, yeah, one of my friend who is also in Haldwani, he has his own company. He's my brother's friend. They are classmates. He went to T-Hub, and I think he met a lot of founders there. I am also willing to go there. I would love to know if you can share more info on it. Will it be helpful for me? Can I, like, what would I get if I go there? Would I be providing some value to them? What value they can provide to me? If it's worth it, I might check it out too. Not this time. This time I have a very small window in Hyderabad, but Hyderabad is just 1 hour flight from Goa, so I can come anytime. Abhinav, I see you are currently shying away. Yeah, you can say that. I am just shying away from collaborating with YouTubers. Or maybe like I'm thinking, you know, if you collaborate with someone, it becomes a, what you can say, it becomes a accountability. And then you have to show up on like on your promise. And now, right now, I feel like YouTube as a side thing, not as a primary thing. So I do not want to take that accountability maybe. Or maybe these are just excuses. You will see me very confused on these stages when these kind of talks happen. I don't know. I'm just enjoying the whole thing. Does FF stand for Free Fire? Who is a Free Fire guy here? Why not PUBG? I played Free Fire once when we were playing PUBG, and I thought, why this game exists? I'm sorry if this is offensive to Free Fire players. Valo better. I mean, this is not a competition. Valo is like a computer game. Free Fire is a mobile game. Okay, so we have created a new sign up process which will create a user and we will have a token. That's great. Now we can use that token to call our own middleware service, which will bypass this to the external service. That is what we want. So there is an AI Sidekick proxy service, right, which does this, and then there is a Pixfix service, or maybe controller. I was a Free Fire guy back in the lockdown, didn't have great device. Oh, okay. Shubham, div better. What? Nah, Velo better. Div better, I don't know, Shubham. What is it? So now the sign up in the now when the user will sign up, basically their new token will be created, which is a good thing. Should I test it first? I think I should test it each step instead of going all in. So we have a Pixfix user, we have a full-on AI Sidekick service, and then we have a Pixfix user sign up. So let's deploy this. Yarn deploy. Wait, cd functions and yarn deploy. So what I want is now a token needs to be created once this is happening. And for this to work, we will log the user out. Once we click on logout, technically the user has to be cleared. Async storage needs to be cleared. So we have this logout button, logout, and the logout. This will need to do async storage, remove item, no, clear. Yes, this is better. So we can say when you are here, logout, and if I open it now, it should go to this screen. Yes, this is good. Varun, T-Hub give good connection in same domain and lot more. I definitely share info about T-Hub. Yeah, Varun, please. I would be interested to know more about it. Something related to AI, or maybe finding founders, co-founders, funding. I'm interested in this. Bro, you are better than any game. Oh, that I know, man. That I know. Thank you, Shubham. My Free Fire video had around 10,000 views. My channel was more around crash of cars. DJs buzzing all around. Won't be able to sleep early today for sure. Oh yeah, the celebration day. Varun, one person from my network is somewhat closely work with T-Hub organizing open mics for students who want to build some things, and it kind of networking me too. Nice. That's interesting. We want to start something like that in Goa too. Maybe we replicate T-Hub and maybe contact Goa government to fund this AI workshop. Maybe this is what the calling for me is. Okay, so what happened? I'm getting these errors when I try to yarn deploy. Can you just give me the command to deploy without going through the type blending process? Abhinav, today one of my friend project received 100,000 funding for his project. It was a Solana project. Guys, do let me know what is happening here. I would be interested. If Solana is so profitable, let's build one Solana project as well. What do you guys think? Also teach me something about Solana. Then what's happening? I have no idea about crypto. I have never worked on it, but if it is still monetizable and people are getting funding, why not? Just test it out. Dollars or rupees? I mean $100,000 obviously. In crypto, I don't think anyone will talk in rupees. Israr, Solana throwing away money. But why? So guys, I'll be leaving in 15 minutes. Yeah, let's do it till 11. Meanwhile, I'm uploading my server code. So I can show you this. It doesn't show any. So right now the server code is being deployed. Oh, there is a deploy no lint command. I am so stupid. I should just read package.json. I'm becoming lazy with this AI day by day. Wait, so 87 lakh rupees, yes. Israr, one of my friend got a 100,000 job offer in a Web3 company based in US. From India. From India getting a 100,000 job is, man, he became super rich automatically at that. Varun, by the way, once upon a time there is this hype Web3 everywhere, but what happened in adoption? I mean, Web3 is still open. It was just overhyped back then, but now it's being spread slowly where it's really required, not in every domain. I remember back then there were people creating YouTube, Spotify, everything on Web3, which were not very super scalable and the technology was not there. Plus, monetization was an issue. Abhinav, it was Datahog HQ who funded their project. I have used Datahog. In Web3 developers are running as well. Datadog HQ, yes. I don't think it's an echo chamber at this point. I think there are some value there. For example, I was reading about this network school which Balaji has started, and one of the use case, like, he's all pro crypto. So what he's doing is, when you learn in their school, whenever you do a project, you get an NFT token for your project, which will be very unique and just given to you. So it gives you a certification which cannot be replicated, which is just for you. And I think this is a real use case of an NFT, is rather than just buying a digital art. I think this is where NFT really shines, where you get a digital kind of a memoir which is unique just for you because you did something. So it became a real certification, a digital certification. And that's what I think their NFT and all these things will shine, where the real use case lies. Varun, I'm in middle, not leftist or rightist about crypto. I am moving a little bit to the right now, not onto the left. If like right means it's useful and left means it's not, it's a gimmick. I mean, definitely crypto has its value, man. It's the future currency. It's just that the incumbents are too slow to make that kind of adoption. So it will take a long time to adopt. Abhishek Sharma, what's the basic PC build should look like for an AI learning and apps development? PC, I have no idea, man. I am a Mac guy from 10 years. I don't know about PC. But get high RAM. That would be my recommendation. Get as good RAM as possible and get some good graphic processing. You'll need it in the AI era. Israr, there's an org called RV. High chance I'm butchering the spelling. They build a cloud storage to a Google Drive on blockchain. They did a hackathon in Bangalore recently. Oh, nice. Hosting on decentralized system. That's interesting. It is called Arviv. This day 16 GB RAM is common. Back then 8 GB RAM means crazy. Yeah, I am from an era like where 2 GB RAM was a thing. Even 500 MB RAM was a thing. As I said, I'm old. Oh, I'm feeling sleepy now. Oh, in Instagram, Samrat, I can see you now. I have requested. You haven't posted anything. 0 posts. Post something, man, on Instagram. Do you see my addiction here? Meanwhile, the deployment is happening. I'm just checking my Instagram. Yes, Arviv, my friend, won a hackathon. They got 4,000 USD. Crazy. Crazy. I see post handle into in Retrofix app. You see post handle. Where? Where did you see that? But it's possible because I'm using the same server. Yeah, there are post handle code here. Yeah, because I'm using the same server to host. So this is a whole my own repository which contains kind of multiple services for each app I have, and I just host them as a cloud function. This acts as a middleware for all of my apps, and then there are dedicated servers, for example like AI Sidekick, which is hosted separately. So middlewares are just to have like security, so they just bypass the request to the main server. Oh, post handle. Oh, here. Okay. This is auto reels. So auto reels splash screen I haven't changed. I'll change the background image. That's the thing which I need to change, and also this AI video image. And welcome to will be PixFix. So this is the home screen which we need to fix. Varun, but when I see those days we came so far. Correct, man. Even like if I look back, who would have thought that I would be talking to this mic to write my app? Like that's what I do the whole day. Just sit here, talk to the mic, and the app is being built. This is a crazy time we are living in. My mind sometimes cannot comprehend what we are doing. Abhinav, by the way, see ya from my side as well. These short streams are so cool. Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, I'll be leaving in like 6 minutes as well. Abhishek Sharma, do we get any restriction with Mac, like with crack softwares or other stuff we do on Windows? Not really, Abhishek. Like for me, if you have to find any crack software, you can. There are resources. It's just, yeah, I mean, you can. It depends. Like most of the popular softwares are available, cracked versions, and you can use them in Mac. I mean, using a cracked version on Mac is much simpler than in Windows. In Windows, you have to do those DLL and all those things. In Mac, you don't have to. But yeah, do check which software you want to run before and see if the crack is available for those. I found cracks for mostly Microsoft apps like the Word and all, and I've also found a crack for a video editing app I wanted. Varun, from a scratch card to recharge mobile phones to instant recharge using own mobile and UPI. Exactly. The whole transition. We are the generation who have seen this transition from offline to online world as close as possible. Israr, I'll go for dinner. Bye, guys. Israr, thank you for hanging out here. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bro, you don't follow me as well. Shubham, just give me a ping on Instagram. I will. I'll post a picture with you. With me? Okay. Sounds good. That sounds good. Okay, so deploy happened, but what the hell? It did not happen with the AI Sidekick service as we wanted. Shite. Can you check why the AI Sidekick service is not working when we are importing it? Because most of our code is in the AI Sidekick service. If we need to refactor our AI Sidekick service, you can do that. But we definitely need that service to import functions which will be reused. And all the calling for our AI Sidekick service should happen from there instead of writing the code here. And whenever you are doing such drastic changes, do share them with me first, confirm, and then go ahead and implement. Right now, this was not cool, bro. So what Claude has done, it just removed one service because it thought this is causing the issue. And now it's saying you are absolutely right and I apologize for this, and sharing an emoji of putting hands on the face. This is crazy. I might post a nice drawing tomorrow. Awesome. So end poll. A lot of views, 19 votes is crazy. Bro, you don't follow me as well. Israr, don't I follow you? I don't know. Like, if I remember you guys from the stream, I might have followed you 100%. Like, just ping me. I will. Shubham, I will. Yep. Following you as well. Okay. Abhishek, thank you, bro. That's cool that we can. I will be soon into vibe coding after a PC build. Cool, Abhishek. Cool, and thank you for joining these streams. In Vijayawada, Andhra, government also started Ratan Tata Innovation Hub to support startups and train students. I mean, yeah, this is the era of startups, guys. Start your own startups. Start building projects. Crazy time ahead. Crazy things happening. Let's do it. Let's do it. Interesting. The compiled code works fine. Let me check the specific issue as per missing variables declaration on line 100. Propose fix. I'd like to make these changes. Fix the missing variable declaration. Proper environment default. Yeah, let's do this. I think South is more for IT sector compared to North. Yeah, I agree on that. The only IT happens in North is, one is in Chandigarh. Chandigarh is no offense if anyone is Chandigarh, but what I have seen is in Chandigarh, companies are generally like cheap service-based companies, IT. Cheap means like they pay peanuts to the developers, because I had some friends who used to work in these Chandigarh-based companies. And then there is Gurgaon and Delhi. Those are the two hubs for IT. Apart from that, yeah, North has not major. I mean, like there are no major companies as well. And one of the factor I believe is Bangalore, because Bangalore for companies it's really good because initially they got pretty cheap lands, and then the weather is really good there. So uh, there was no extreme heat or extreme cold. Makes sense for a software company to run there. This is my opinion. Okay, so I think we are right on time. I'll be calling it a night. It was really fun, guys. I was in a very not very good headspace earlier, but now hanging out here chatting with you all, I feel better and hopefully get a better sleep today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.